Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mona and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to dive into all the amazing products which I had ordered from Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, keep on watching. So without any further delay, let's get started. I have quite a lot, so let's begin. First up, we have Pixie's On The Glow blush in the variant Ruby. I had my eye on this product from so long and finally I have it. Pixie is offering 10% discount on this and it's the #1 bestseller in blush category. It also won the Best in the Beauty 2024 award on Nykaa. Wow, such a beautiful hot pink. I've been eager to try it since it launched and I can't wait to see how it performs. Next we have Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara Waterproof in the variant Very Black. I've been using mascaras from other brands, however, I always wanted to try this one. Oh, look at the packaging. Oh my god, it's stunning. I've got it at 40% off and it's also the #1 bestseller in mascara category. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Oh my god, can you look at the difference? This is good. I also picked up these Bronson Professional eyelashes in the style M75 at 66% off. The quality looks amazing. To go with the lash, I got Swiss Beauty's Pro Eyelash Glue, which was 30% off. So, okay, the applicator is like this. I can't wait to try this on. Can you guess the next product? Next is the Mars Eyes Can Kill eyeshadow palette. When I saw the pictures, I instantly drawn to the purple shades. I usually use neutral browns or pinks, but this time I really wanted to experiment something new. Oh. Look at the shades. And we have nice mirror too here. Let me swatch the glitters and the purple shade. The palette is huge and has great color payoff. It was at 15% off and I'm looking forward to try this out. I also bought the Maybelline Color Sensational, the Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade 690. I got 2 of this, one for my cousin and my mom. They both wanted the same shade, so here we have, and it was on 15% off. Next is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless up to 16 hours oil control powder, which is SPF 32 PA+++ and in the shade 220. This is for my cousin and it was 30% off. And Maybelline products also comes with a free gift. I got this one, which is Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 80. In the shade 80 Ruler. Right now I'm wearing the same shade, which exactly smells like orange chocolate pastry. Look at the shade, it's stunning. It looks amazing on Indian skin tone. So this is the tiny cute travel size lipstick I got. I also got the MAC Prep Prime Fix and Setting Spray. It's a best selling in setting spray category. Even though it wasn't on the sale, I had to restock it. I stocked up on the sheet masks with Nykaa's Buy 5 Get 5 combo. You can see I have 10 sheet masks. Usually I go for Tony Moly. However, this time I wanted to try Nykaa's own range. I got 10 sheet masks for just rupees 500. What a deal. I have Tulsi plus yogurt for clear and moisturized skin. I have pomegranate for rejuvenated and youthful skin, and I have peptides plus goji berry for firm and lifted skin. I have rose plus goat milk for nourished and radiant skin, and pearl and hyaluronic acid for glowing and moisturized skin. Avocado plus moringa for nourished and hydrated skin. Saffron honey for glowing and moisturized skin. Strawberry plus argan oil for blemish free and glowing skin. Gold for rejuvenated and youthful skin. Last but not least, snail for firm and nourished skin. I got notification saying sale inside sale, so I thought let's go check that out, and it said 49 rupees for each product. And I was stunned and wanted to check out what are the products they have in that category, sale category. I saw Kiro foundation. You don't believe me if I say I got the product which is 950 rupees for just 49 rupees. Can you even believe this? But the only thing is they said shade options were not available. It was just random. So I thought, okay, it's just 49 rupees and I can give it to someone else if it's not my shade. But I got Hero Daily Dewy Serum Foundation, Hyaluronic Acid plus Vitamin C and Niacinamide in the shade Sun Beige 2. I think this is one shade darker, I guess. But I can work with it, or I can even give it to someone else. And also I had ordered Renee's lipstick. I'll just pop the image here because I'm yet to receive the order today, so I couldn't show you the product. But even that lipstick was for 49 rupees, but the MRP of that product was 199. You cannot choose the shade whichever you want to. They'll only send. I don't know. I'm just waiting for the surprise. I don't like red lipstick, so hopefully I don't receive red. But let's see. Lastly, I've restocked on my go-to sunscreen and moisturizer. The Neutrogena's Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 PA triple+, 4+, and which is water and sweat resistant, no white cast. I trust by this product. And Dot & Key's Ceramides and Hyaluronic Barrier Repair Moisturizer, which has probiotics and rice water. Both were on sale, with the sunscreen at 30% off and moisturizer at 16%. Essentials I can't live without. And that's everything I had ordered during the Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. All the good things that you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.